Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. So as you've read by the title, today we're going to be making phone charms, and I'm going to be making different types of phone charms. So it's going to be a thin beaded one and a thick beaded one, and also I'll be adding a little twist to one of the phone charms in the end. So keep watching till the end. Let's get started. So first we'll be starting with glass beads, which are these small sequence kind of beads, and for that you will need the glass beads obviously, and a needle and a thread. Let's start. Okay, so this is going to take a lot of time and a lot of patience. So this is how it's going to develop, and it's going to become really delicate and really nice at the end. So I'll finish this out off camera because it's going to take a lot of time, and I can't do this on camera because I'll lose my patience. So yeah, I'll be back with the finished product. So this is what I've done. I've made a small loop on the top so that I can insert it in the phone cover. So this is how it is done. This is the final outcome. I feel this looks really simple and really elegant, and it looks really pretty also. So let's move on to the next one. So for the next one I'll be using wool thread, and like before I'll be making a loop in the starting so that it fits inside the phone cover. So this is the loop. I'm going to start putting the beads in each of the threads. So as you can see, this looks really pretty and really vibrant, and also I've attached a small hanging kind of thing in this. I had it in my beads, so this is a bit heavy, so it's better you choose the wool thread itself. And so this one is the second one, and this one is the first one. So we'll move on to the next one, and I'll show you all the three in the end. Okay, so here it is. This is the last one. I've attached a tassel at the end, and this is the twist I was telling about, because usually till now you have seen phone charms only with the beads. Now I have attached a tassel at the end. You can also attach a pom-pom also, not necessarily that it has to be a tassel. So I have made this tassel at home, and I've attached it. If you want me to do a separate video on how to make tassels and pom-poms, please comment below. So this is the third one. So here are all the three phone charms. So this is the first one, which is really simple and really delicate. This is the second one, which is with full thicker beads, bigger beads, and it is a really heavy one. And this is the third one with the twist, which I added in the end, which is the tassel. So yeah, these are the three phone charms which I made, and that is it for this video. I'll attach all these phone charms to my phone, and I'll show it to you in the next clip. So that is it for this video. I hope you liked how I made the phone charms and added a little twist in the end to one of it. So here are all the phone charms which I made. This one I haven't included in the video because I thought I'll make a separate one to compare the one with the tassel and this only with the beads. So yeah, these are all the phone charms that I made. I hope you liked all of the phone charms, and if you do make one of these, please tell me in the comment section, and also you can tag me on Instagram if you post a photo or a video of it. So that's it for this video. I hope you liked it. I hope you enjoyed this video. If you liked this video, please give it a thumbs up, and also please subscribe to my channel, and also share it with people who you think will love this video. Thank you for watching. I'll see you again in another video. Bye.